This is an always outside video production. What is the first thing that you think of when you hear the word NASA or ESA? You probably think of space, other planets, moons, spaceships, or even satellites. But what probably you don't think of first is Earth, our planet. And in this video, I will be talking about what they are currently doing for the Earth right now. So let's get started. I will be going over a snippet of their history, how much money they get a year, and what missions they are currently doing for the Earth. All of my resources will be displayed at the end of the video. Their history in a nutshell. NASA, otherwise known as the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA was created on July 29, 1958, during the Cold War. Its current headquarters is located in Washington, D.C. ESA, otherwise known as the European Space Agency. It is an intergovernmental organization. They currently have 22 members. I'm sorry in advance if I say some countries' names incorrectly. The members are Australia, Belgium, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Slovakia, Latvian, Canada, Denmark, and the United Kingdom. They were established in 1975, and the headquarters is currently in Paris, France. All right, now let's talk about money. NASA got around $23.3 billion in 2021. That is about 0.48% of the US GDP. On the other hand, ESA's annual budget is about 6.8 billion euros in 2020. And all of that money goes to research, building, launching, communication, and salaries. What missions are they currently doing for the Earth? I am not going to talk about all of the missions, but these are the mission numbers for the certain genres of the topics for NASA. 8 missions dedicated to wildfires, 10 missions dedicated to weather, 9 missions dedicated to the water cycle, 23 missions dedicated to the sun and interference on the Earth. 6 missions are dedicated to the ozone, 10 missions are dedicated to the oceans, 12 missions are dedicated to land and vegetation, 6 missions are dedicated to ice, 9 missions are dedicated to hurricanes, 4 missions are dedicated to gravity, 3 missions are dedicated to continental drifts, 27 missions are dedicated to climate, 25 missions are dedicated to the atmosphere. In total, that is 152 dedicated missions for Earth that NASA is currently doing. Now, ESA hasn't been around for long, but they have a whole lot of missions. Unfortunately, their website doesn't say what missions they are actively doing right now, so I picked the most recent missions I could find. ESA's missions are detecting pollution from individual ships from space, satellite data analysis, agriculture monitoring, coastal observations boosting by referring to satellites to track, train, and promote rail safety, sea level monitoring, mapping high-resolution methane emissions from space. Recap time. So we learned a little bit about their history. We found out how much money they get a year and what missions they are currently doing for the planet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video informed you about NASA and ESA and what they do for the planet. Please consider subscribing to never miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you.